live with studios in Midland and Odessa. You're watching CBS 7 First Alert News at 6.
Good evening to you, and thanks for joining us tonight at 6.
After 6 days of objections, sustainments, and overruling, the four Trinity administrators had all charges dismissed.
CBS 7's Noe Ortega was at the courthouse the moment the judge ruled them innocent. Noe?
Well, the emotions in the courtroom since day one always change. Some days people in the courtroom laughed and some days they cried. Once Judge David Rogers announced that they were free to go, the whole room bursted into tears of happiness. Let's take a look. Friends and family gathered outside of the courtroom to congratulate the four administrators. The defense attorneys still had at least 15 witnesses they were going to call up. However, after only half of the witnesses presented by the prosecutors, they dropped the charges. And now the administrators hope to get back to Trinity.
Our Board of Trustees is meeting this afternoon, and we expect to be back at work very soon. And we can't wait to see those children.
In the state's motion to dismiss, they said Midland Police Department Sergeant Jenny Alonzo said that she was under the orders of Midland County District Attorney Laura Nodoff, and that she had a meeting with DA Nodoff and lead prosecutor assistant DA Jennifer Lively. The counsel for the state said that no such meeting ever took place. Therefore, the DA deemed Sergeant Alonzo as no longer a credible or reliable witness.
And when you have prosecutors who are telling police don't do any more investigation, go out, get the warrants, arrest them, and we'll figure out what's true later, that is an absolute abuse of power. And that never should have happened here.
She was the only investigating officer. And to her credit, she came in and said, this is not what happened. This is what I was told to do. And as a result of that, she's been branded a liar by the DA's office, and they dismissed the case.
As far as what's next, the defense attorney said this is just a hollow victory and only partial justice. When asked if they would pursue any legal action, Sellers said stay tuned. Though Todd Freeze and Adrian Clifton weren't there to speak, Crystal Myers thanked the Trinity community and their defense team.
Adrian and Todd share that exact same feeling and thought. And we're just so grateful. We are here today because of these four and our Trinity community.
Noe, we saw the reaction from the people in the courtroom, but what were the Trinity administrators' emotions the moment that case was dismissed?
Well, once the judge dismissed the case, each administrator gave their attorney a big hug and then proceeded to hug each and every other attorney, because you have to remember these people have been out of work for 14 months now.
Speaking of work, Noe, could we expect them to be back at Trinity anytime soon?
Well, just a couple of hours ago, we did receive a statement from Trinity School of Midland that stated that they're actively working on welcoming the four administrators back to the school, and more information on that topic could come soon.
Wow, interesting twist to the case.
Yeah, all right. Noe, thanks so much for all your work on this case. It is also day 2 of the